Guys, in this video I will show you how to get the best voiceover settings within ElevenLabs. So once you're in ElevenLabs, you can choose between a lot of things. So you can choose text to speech or speech to text. So basically text to speech is just when you type text and you tap on generate right here, then of course a voiceover or an audio file will be generated. And when you tap on speech to speech, you can talk in the microphone and your own speech will be converted to the voiceover you've selected, for example, then in this case. But I do recommend you to just keep it on text to speech for now, because speech to speech is a relatively new feature and it's not that good yet. So I recommend you to tap on text to speech, and here you see a lot of settings. So you see the multilingual settings. So this is basically a model they have. So they have quite a lot of models. But the best thing is you can just select a voice you like. So for now, just ignore this and tap on this right here. All right. So for example, select this voice, for example, and then you can select this. And as you can see, now they're given a pop-up. We recommend switching to the Eleven multilingual V1 model to get the best possible quality for this voice. So tap on this. Now switch back to this voice model. So basically they give you the best voiceover settings, but of course we have also the manual voice settings. So you can tap on that, and here you see stability and clarity plus similarity. So basically when you change this, you change the pitch of the voice and just how the voice sounds, of course. So there is no best way to create the best possible voice. It all depends on the specific voice you choose, and on the settings. So you just need to play around with this. So what I do recommend is choosing a voice that ElevenLabs marked as good or as premium, as you see, as professional, or as ElevenLabs pre-made. So you really know that it is very good, because the team of ElevenLabs created it. So what you can do is you can go to voices right here, and here you can see like this professional voice clone icon. So then you know that's a really good voice. You can tap on voice library right here, and when you see this little thing, you know it's a very good voice. And for example, right here you don't see that sign, so keep in mind that voice can be a bit less good, so keep that in mind. But yeah, basically just select the voice language or the voice model that ElevenLabs recommends you to use, and you just need to play around with those manual voice settings. You always can tap on to default later on if you've played around with it, and then they recommend you the best possible voice settings in their opinion. So it's just your own opinion basically, and there's no best possible way. So of course you just need to type the text here, and as they say, the model works the best on longer fragments, because they really know, like if it's a short sentence, they don't have really time to train that voice, and basically while the thing is generating, it becomes better and better and better. So keep that in mind. I hope this video is kind of helpful. If you have any questions, you just can let them know down below, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.